The mystery of touchwood. Have you ever said touchwood but stopped for a second and wondered why? Why do we knock on wood? जबकि हमें पता होता है कि सब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है या सब कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. Or we just do it to avoid bad luck. Millions of people do it every day, but very few of them know the reason behind it. कि हम करते क्यों हैं? कहते क्यों हैं? होता क्या है? So today, we are going to uncover the story behind this mysterious phrase, touch wood. It's not just a saying, बल्कि ये कई सालों से चलता आ रहा है tradition है. By the end of the video, you'll not only know its origin, but from where did it start, why did it start, and why do we do it? Let's travel back to ancient times, when humans believed spirits lived in trees. Yeah, you heard right. Spirits. Spirits याने good angels. Touching a tree was more than a gesture for them. It was like asking these spirits for luck, protection, or blessings. In some cultures, it was a serious way to avoid misfortune. Misfortune याने अनहोनी होने से टालना या दुर्घटना होने से टालना. Just imagine living in a world where these unseen forces could shape your day. Fast forward to the Middle Ages of Europe, when Christianity was spreading. Touching wood persisted. It became a cultural habit. The phrase evolved into touch wood or knock on wood. People used it for everything, for good health, to avoid accidents, or even for conversations about success. Now you might ask, does touching wood really work? Scientifically, it doesn't, but psychology plays its part. Saying touch wood gives us a sense of control, reduces anxiety, and reinforces hope. It's a subtle mental trick. Today, millions still say touch wood on WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, sometimes without even touching anything. It's a cultural habit passed down for centuries. And here's a fun fact. Most people don't know its origin. They just do it unknowingly. So अगली बार जब आप touchwood कहोगे, just remember, you're connecting with ancient humans, medieval folklore, and modern psychology all at once. Have you said touch wood today? And did you know why you were really doing it? Comment below.